Today I'm going to show you how to swap a 10 metre hose for a 20 metre hose on an AVA P80 Evolution power washer. This extension hose can be used on any of the machines from a P30 all the way up to a P90, although the P90 is not available anymore. I'm going to show you the different ways that you can use this because it's a pretty versatile piece of kit. It helps me no end. It's a very good piece of kit. Very well made as well. Okay, to begin with, if you could just pop over, I'm going to show you the pressure that we get with this. I'm not going to get 160 bar. It's not a solid blocked off tube. This is the only accurate way that you can measure all pressure washers against each other by using the same equipment, which I do. So when I use this with everything else, everything becomes relative. Okay, here we go. Here we go, so we're getting 110 bar. That's a 50 bar reduction. That's because of the length of the hose, and also because of this, there are losses with everything. 160 is at the end of the pump. Take the hose off. If you could just pop over here, and I'll just show now how to quickly swap the hose. Quite a simple thing. Pop the clip up in the clip hole there. Pop that straight out. That's the C-clip. If you take this out, that's your hose out. And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to show you while I'm at it how to change a rubber O-ring, because these O-rings do wear. I'll split that rubber, taking it off. There we go. Nice new rubber. This is silicone grease. You have to use silicone grease on rubber, or just rubber grease, of course. You can use this, actually, this particular grease, you can use this on watches. For watch seals and things, it's so pure. It's waterproof, and it's specialist rubber grippers. There we go. And just pop a little touch around there as well for the other joint. Just protect that. Slide this one back, put this one on here first of all, then you get this one, put that one, push that one on there, then you get your C-clip. C-clip goes in that hole there. These can be really awkward sometimes if they're tight. This is a tight one. What I'm trying to do is to push this effectively, push that together with my fingers to get it into those two holes, because they're sprung on purpose to stop them coming out. This one can't come out because it's inside that tube. So sometimes, like I said on that one, you'll have to put the pliers on, and I've just put the pliers on there, look. That just pushes in with your finger. Push in nice and level. Slide this part back. Turn it round till it goes in. And then we're in. And this U part there, look, goes that way there through those holes, comes out the back. AVA did a fantastic job of designing this. No leaks. Look at that, it goes straight back together, look. There's the clips that you push in with your fingers to stop that clip coming out, look. everything they design is very well designed. I'm an engineer myself. I've worked on racing motorbikes all my life, on engines, tuning engines, so I know good engineering when I see it, and that is good engineering. Right, so now if I want this to be a 30 metre hose, this is now a 10 metre extension instead of a 20. So this now connects straight to there. Now I've got 20 metres plus 10. This is the way I use it. But in the meantime, what I'm going to do, I'm going to do a pressure test now and show the difference between a 10 metre hose and a 20 metre hose. Okay, back with you. Now I'm going to pressure test with the 20 metre hose that I've just fitted and show the difference in pressure between the 20 and the 10 that came standard. Here we go. We've lost about 2 to 2.5 bar of pressure by adding 10 metres to it, which is very reasonable. Okay, back with you. We've now got the 10 added to the 20, so now we're on a 30 metre hose. We're going to test the pressure. Well, that scales perfectly because that's 105. We started off with 110 bar with 10 metres. It's gone down to 107.5 roughly with 20 metres, and it's gone down to 105 with 30 metres. So we're losing 2.5 bar per 10 metres. So anyway, I'm really pleased with how this test's gone. Struggling carrying the pressure washer through the house out the other side. So I've terraced house behind me, look, that's where we live. And this hose goes all the way from the back of the garden on the shed there, and then it comes through out the kitchen window, through the house and out the letterbox. Then I've got just over 10 metres left to go around the car. It's absolutely fabulous, to be honest with you. It doesn't leak at all. The joints are absolutely fantastic. I don't know if AVA intended them to be used like this, but it is another way that you can use it to make your pressure washer 20 metres, which is more versatile. And you've got the genuine AVA hose on. So there you go.